Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss the next chapter 12. Let us communicate. Student, what is the meaning of communication? How we communicate with others. Communicate means how we express our views with others. How we show our feeling. Sometimes, for example, a dancer communicates with his feeling through mudras, okay, and facial expression or body languages. And a child conveys its happiness through smiles and anger through cries. Right? Means these are the two ways through they communicate with their mother and other family members. And dancer also communicate through his expression, facial expression or body languages. And we all have different ways of communicating our feeling of joy, sorrow, anger and satisfaction, right? Like happiness, watch the picture, confusion, sometimes we are thinking something about sadness, surprise, anger, we are showing our eyes, that shows the anger, and excitement when we are excited, okay? Means all these ways, different ways of communicating our feeling towards the other, that is also called the communication. In earlier time, man did not know any language. At that time, how the early man communicate with others? He communicated his feeling through sign languages to people who were close by, and he also sent messages through drums or smoke signal to people living far away places. For example, they also beating the drums. It means they communicate with their other element. And smoke signal, also watch the smoke signal, and they also identify where there are other people. And another one is they also draw the picture on the walls of the caves, right? That also these signs are also a way of the communication in earlier time, in ancient time. Communication means sending and receiving spoken, written or visual information from one person to another. But when we didn't read the language of other, it means that is not a communication. अगर हम उस चीज़ को पढ़ नहीं सकते, if we can't read the language of any sender, जो आपको मैसेज दिया है, अगर आप उसको रीड नहीं कर पा रहे हो, it means that is not a communication. Communication means sending and receiving. ओके अगर आप किसी के साथ कम्युनिकेट कर रहे हो तो वो आपकी, चाहे वो रिटर्न मैसेज है, वो स्पोकन है या फिर विजुअल इंफॉर्मेशन है, इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट थिंग, दैट इज कॉल्ड द कम्युनिकेशन. ओके एंड कम्युनिकेशन, दैट इज अ प्रोसेस थ्रू विच we share our views, we share our opinion, and we communicate with other. That is called communication. In other way, we also say the communication means sending and receiving spoken, written or visual, spoken, written or visual information from one person to another. And one of the most important means of communication is speech. When we are speaking anything, that is most important means of communication. And the other important means of communication are facial expression, hand movement, symbols, letter, books and books. Sometimes we want to give a emphasis on enhance to create the knowledge about something. Yeah, we want to show anything like your world look like a big globe is like this, yeah, earth, shape of earth is through our hands. We show the things through our hands. That is also a means of hand movement, also a means of communication. And the facial expression like angry, happy, fearful, disgust, neutral, sad and surprised, all these are also the means of communication. And symbols, right? All these symbols show the different religion of India, because in India there are many people who belong to different religion. India is a vast country, but We all live with each other harmony and peacefully manner. We all respect our other religion, and the newspaper also a main means of communication. And one of the most important thing, books, that is also a mean of communication, because we get a lot of knowledge from the books. And today we have many different modern devices through which we can communicate more efficiently, like computer, radio, telephone, newspaper, cellular phone, letter, television or TV या magazine. Okay, the most important are telephone, mobile, radio, television and internet. These are the means of communication. I think you all did all these things and watch your video. Goodbye.